Hey there, I did a live stream earlier, but after 20 minutes of live stream, I have. Let's. Hello everyone, I'm Yogesh. I have tried live streaming for 20 minutes, but later I found that the audio setup was wrong, so the whole 20 minutes video was without audio. So I'm redoing it. Uh, so this video is about text animation flipping. So initially a text will be present, it will rotate by 90 degrees in x-axis, then a second text will appear and it will complete the rotation. So let's start with it. I have did this once, so this will be faster than the previous false attempt. So this is our body, then we'll go for container. Inside that container we will have two spans. Okay, one span's text will be subscribe to, no self promotion, but electronics hub only, and the classes will be line and line 1, line and line 2. Now we will create a style sheet. We'll use link CSS, control and click to create the file. I will save the index. So in CSS, firstly we will assign margin equal to 0 and padding equal to 0 for all elements. Then we'll go for body. We will set the height equals 100 VH. By default width is 100%, so we'll only have to set the height. Now we'll see this here. I'll refresh it. So this is it. Now we have to centerline this thing. So for that we will use flex. We'll put flex on our body, so it will be display, not in line, it will be flex. Then justify content equal to center and align items equal to center. We'll go with flex direction column. Now it won't be required because there is only one element inside body, so flex direction has no meaning over here. I will add background color, the one that I like, 4445. So we are at the center now. I'll go for line class. We'll add font family sans serif, font size 2 rem, color of text white. Now let's see how this looks. Yeah, this is good. We'll go for display block, and now for the container I will put position absolute. Sorry, for container, not for container, I'll put it for, what is this? Maybe I've clicked on some link. I'll put this on line 2. So this is the container, line 1, line 2, and maybe I'll have to put position relative. No, this is not working. I forgot what I did. Let's do a little debugging over here. What I'll do is I'll just remove this and I'll play with the developer tools. So we are right now over here. We have this big container, we have this line. For this container, what I'll do is I will put position relative top 0. I'll go for this. What is with this absolute thing? What I can do is I can put margin bottom into negative or margin top of this negative, but I don't want to do it. I want to achieve this with CSS properties. So we can try a few more things. And this is it. So we have to use position absolute and top, and along with that we'll give mean width 50 VW. Or let's say we will have more options. What am I saying? We have more options. Is this required? Yes. I will give mean width 50 VW to this. Why do we have full width to this? I don't know. Maybe I'll give these properties to line 1 as well. And now what I'll do is I'll try a few more things. Margin left auto, is this working? No, it is not. At least we are at the center. I think mean width 30 VH is more than enough. I'll copy this for container. And then we will use this CSS for line, and I'll refresh it. So this is as expected. I'll just add one more thing. Transform, no, I think it is text transform uppercase. Now I'll have to change this thing. No, previous one is fine. So this is it. Now I'll do one thing. I'll toggle this. So I'll have to give a little padding to this. Maybe this is too much. This went to the far end. So I think we are good to go with this. So now I'll go with line 1, padding left 1 rem, and this is it. Now we'll go for the main logic. I believe that you can reduce the code for this thing, but right now it is fine. You can use whichever code you want for this. Just make sure that it will be same. It will be good for all devices. Now we'll have one more class, line 2. We'll add an animation property for this. It will be, let's say, text animation line 1 for 1 second. Give me 2 seconds. I'll just check if this video has sound. I don't want to do it for the third time. Yes, so this is good. Now I'll copy this and I will paste it over here. I'll rename it to text animation line 2. The duration will be 2 seconds, and so yeah, what we'll do is it will have keyframes. The name of animation from 2. So line 1 will have a transform rotate X starting with angle 0 degree up to 90 degree. This will be for first 1 second. Now for the second one, for first 1 second it will do nothing, so we'll copy this from to first 50% time, that is for first 1 second. So this will do nothing. We don't want to show it, so we will rotate it by 90 degrees and we'll end it with 0 degrees. Now the final value will be this. So after completing the animation, I want this value to persist, so I will give this as the default value. Because for this video I intend to making the animation for once in the lifetime of the web pages session, and I think we are good to go right now. So yeah, this is as expected. For first 1 second there is no animation for text 2, and the animation for text 1 is from rotating along x-axis from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. When it is at 90 degrees, it will be perpendicular to our it will be parallel to our vision but perpendicular to the screen, so it won't be visible. At that time it will stay at 90 degrees, but the second text will rotate from 90 degrees to 0 degrees, that is from 50% to 2, that is to 100%. Now I want to give little jerks at the start and at the end. Like before giving punch, we pull our hand to create some force, to gather some energy, and then we push our fist towards our opponent to hit. So like that, for first 0.4 second I want this to go from 0 degrees to, let's say, minus 25 degrees. Then I'll do the same, but that thing is at the end, so it will be 0.4 second before this, and 20% of 2 second is 0.4 second. So 20% minus 100% is 80%. You can do the math later when you have time. So this is it. So here you can see this, we have given a little jerk, and I hope you will like this video. And I have created a poll. You can click on the I button to participate in it. If you want more CSS videos like this, then click on yes button, or else you can leave it. And that's it from this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.